The World Health Organization is calling on the international community to react as the outbreak of Mpox is declared a public health emergency.
And these are countries that have got a lot of contact with the rest of the world, but so that's a threat to the rest of the world, but it's really because it's spreading so rapidly, causing so many more cases than we've seen.
It's the second time the highest level of public health alert has been issued since 2022. Following a major outbreak of the endemic strain known as Clade 1 in the Democratic Republic of Congo, thousands of cases have been detected in neighboring countries like Cameroon, Kenya and Rwanda, as well as much further afield. The highly contagious disease, formerly known as monkeypox, causes flu-like symptoms, skin lesions, and can be fatal, with 4 in 100 cases leading to death. Those infected are waiting for a cure.
May the researchers do their best. Let them work hard to find a cure and let God help them too. It is with God's help that they will succeed. With the intelligence God has given them, let them make enough effort to find a cure for this disease.
Nations now scramble to mobilize resources needed to contain the outbreak amid fears the virus could spark another deadly pandemic. Shares of Mpox vaccine makers like Bavarian Nordic have already soared, while medical experts warn precautions and restrictions must be observed.
The fear is perhaps linked to the fact that we isolate people who are ill, which can push others not to come forward for fear they will also be isolated. And this is what can lead to a greater number of infections because they will remain in the public environment.
Many governments all over the world were criticized for their handling of the COVID-19 pandemic, and some fear lessons haven't been learned.
We're worried because we don't feel that the government is mobilizing and concerned that the best way to try and control this epidemic, which is threatening the population.
While lockdowns and social distancing may be a distant memory, with outbreaks like Mpox causing spiraling cases and a high death toll, the race for a globally accessible cure returns. Shadia Edwards-Dashti, TRT World.